Dockside Inn and Suites is one of the two hotels that makes up Universal's Endless Summer Resort and is on the Value Inns and Suites category. It has two towers, Tower 2 to the right and Tower 1 to the left when you're facing the hotel. It has 2,050 rooms, including 1,059 two-bedroom suites. In the lobby, you'll find the check-in counter, the ticket counter, luggage services, and even a Starbucks, a bar, and a gift shop. Dockside does have a game room and it's located in Tower 2. Both towers have a pool and a pool bar. Pool hours can change, so make sure to check your pool hours on your visit. Also, we found that occasionally one pool may open earlier or stay open later than the other. Dockside also has a lobby bar that is open during the evenings. Pier 8 is where you can pick up some food when you are spending time at the hotel. They offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and various types of food at each meal. Heading into Tower 1, you'll find the fitness center and Tower 1 pool. Let me tell you some of the benefits you have from staying at Dockside Inn and Suites. You have early park arrival at the parks, meaning you can get in before general day guests. You have free transportation to and from the park. You have resort-wide charging, meaning you can charge things you buy in gift shops back to the room. You also have hotel delivery. That's right, something that you buy over in the parks can be delivered directly to your room. Looking around Tower 1's pool area, I will tell you that Dockside Inn and Suites and Surfside, I believe, neither one has a whirlpool and does not allow pool hopping. Okay, guys, I think we have found our spot and we're ending this video here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and here's another video you might like.